Hey guys, I'm Kaylee, and today we're gonna be eating some Taco Bell, my favorite place. And subscribe and like while you're at it. I'm gonna be saying some stuff about me as well. So I have two siblings. I am the middle child. I do modeling and acting. I like food, but I'm a picky eater. Either of them. I like McDonald's, Chick-fil-A. I like Taco Bell, of course, because I like the cheese. And I like ramen noodles. Favorite flavor is beef. My favorite color is pink and white, pink and black, gold, silver, magenta, purple, dark purple, light purple, and baby pink, light pink, and yellow. I don't know if there's a such thing as like baby yellow. I don't know. But yeah. Well guys, that'll be enough for today's video. Thank you so much for giving me some of your time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys. Subscribe and like.